Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Tap your profile avatar in the top right. This goes straight to account options. Once there, select Play Protect from the list so you land inside the scanning panel. Then tap the gear icon or the settings label. This opens the controls that govern app scanning and security checks. You're doing this to stop automatic app scans. Make sure you stay in the Play Protect settings screen before proceeding to the next step. Once in Play Protect settings, find the toggle labeled Scan Apps with Play Protect and switch it off. You'll see a confirmation prompt, accept to disable the automatic scans. Make sure to also review the secondary option, improve harmful app detection, and disable it if you want to stop sending app behavior data to Google. You're turning off both the scan and the reporting. This reduces background checks, so be aware of the trade-off between convenience and security before you finish. After disabling Play Protect, restart your device so the change fully applies to system services. If the toggle snaps back on, check for manufacturer security apps or device admin policies that re-enable scanning. Open Settings Security Device Admin Apps and remove any admin rights temporarily. If anything odd appears after disabling Play Protect, turn it back on right away and run a manual scan. Keep this troubleshooting step in mind, because turning off protections increases risk at the app level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.